Guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji V. So in this video, I wanted to go over what that sweet gift website says about our personality through our home decor. So this should be a fun video. I'm gonna see if they're right or if they're wrong, or you could always comment down below. Let me know what you think, if they're right or they're wrong. So let's jump into this video. So first up on their list is excessive seating. According to the website, if you love excessive seating, that means you're a very social person and you love to entertain. Or in my opinion, you could just have a lot of seating and not really care for entertainment, but you just not paying attention to, you know, all the chairs or the seating that you've purchased. But according to this website, they say you love to entertain, you love to socialize, you like to have people over, you know, you like to have social parties. So I think they might be right. Yeah, because if you know, have visitors over your home all the time, you're gonna want them to have somewhere to sit. So they said if you have more seating than actual furniture, then that you do love to socialize, which is probably true. So I think I might agree with that one. Okay, number 2 on the list is empty counters in the kitchen. So according to this article, they think that if you don't have anything on the countertop, that you have a type A personality and that you're cold. And it also makes it difficult to even do anything in the kitchen. So that's something to think about. I mean, some people probably just don't like clutter, versus saying that you're a cold person. But some people just don't like to have clutter or things on your countertop, which is fine. But I think this is a 50-50 chance of the person might be type A and the person might just not like clutter. So you guys, let me know what you think on their opinion of type A personality versus someone that doesn't like clutter. I'm one of the person that doesn't like clutter, but I still like to have things on my countertop so I can have a functional kitchen. So it's a 50-50 for me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so third on the list is neutral colors. Now, according to this article, neutral colors says that you're peaceful and you just like a cohesive home. You just like a simple home, but it could also mean that you're boring. I don't know about that, but like I said, this is their opinion. But some people just like neutral colors for the calmness and peacefulness that it brings, because they said people that don't like color, it kind of says that, you know, they have a loud personality. So I guess neutral color is saying that you have a calm, relaxing, very monotone personality. You're not abrasive, you're not aggressive, you're a very calm individual, and also boring. So that's another opinion of theirs. So let me know what you guys think, true or not. But I think so. But it's like half and half. Some people like neutral because it's very relaxing, or some people are just scared of colors. So I think it's something they might be right on. So I'm like half and half on that one. Yeah. Fourth on the list is open floor plan. Now, according to this article, they said that if you like an open floor plan, you have an open home, you want people to feel welcome to other areas of your home, and you're more family oriented. So they might be right, but not really, because I don't like open floor plan. I think an open floor plan is more for apartments versus a home. I think a home should have designated spaces versus just being just one big room. Me personally, I prefer a home with divided spaces. I don't like an open floor plan because it reminds me of an apartment. Now, I've been living in an apartment for a long time, so if I do have a home, I want my space to be divided. Now, we could have the kitchen and the kitchen and the dining room together, or the kitchen and the living room or the family room open, but I don't think every section of your home should be open unless you have a smaller home. They say if you have a smaller home, then you just want it to feel a little bit open and airy, but I think you should have semi-open. I don't think it should be 100% open because you need designated space. You don't want to see everyone all in the same area. At least you could have, you know, some part of your family, you know, using this section of the home, and then that other, you know, the rest of your family using another section of your home, versus everyone in, you know, in just one room looking at each other. But I kind of agree with that. I am a family oriented person, but I prefer my home to have more designated spaces versus open floor plan. So I would say half and half on this one, but let me know what you guys think. So on the list is eclectic decor items. Now, according to this article, they say that if you like eclectic decor items, that means that you like to show your personality, show that that you like to travel, you like different things, you like to show different sides of your personality. Well, it says a lot about you and about your personality. It shows where you've been, your personal style, that you like to make your home a little bit more personal versus trendy, or, you know, just to go with a trend. You like to make it a little bit more personal and more a reflection of your personality. So I think that's true. I think anyone that decorates with, you know, like personal artifacts or things that are eclectic and different, they want to show a different side of their personality and want to make their home interesting. So I totally agree with this idea. So let me know what you guys think down below, if it's true or not. So according to this article, if you love Art Deco style, that means that you love the arts and that you're a deep thinker. Now, I think this might be right. I noticed that most Art Deco people, they tend to, you know, be deep thinkers. So I do agree with their opinion on Art Deco style. I really do think people that are into Art Deco, they have more of a love for the arts. They like things that are things that are interesting, things that are unique and personal to their style and very artsy. So I really think that's true, and of course they're deep thinkers. So I completely agree with their opinion on people who love Art Deco style. But of course, let me know what you guys think down below. So next on the list is the Victorian style. According to this article, people that love according to this article, people that love the Victorian style are sophisticated and elegant. Their style is more regal, it's more very upper class. So if you're into this type of decorating, it says a lot about your personality and what you think about yourself. You actually think that you're a royalty, which is good. It's always good to surround yourself and make your home feel like you're royalty. If you surround yourself with sophistication and elegance, it says a lot about you as a person, that, you know, you have class and that you are, you know, cultured. So I think that's pretty much true about the Victorian style. So I agree with this one. But of course, let me know what you guys think if you do agree with this idea as well. According to this article, people that love bright colors, they love to travel, they like to do new things, they like to meet new people, they're adventurous, they're always looking for the next best thing. So they're just saying that you're an interesting person and you're always looking forward to your next adventure. So I think that's true as well. You know, people that do like bright colors, they're always trying to, you know, keep their life new and fresh, always looking for something fun, new and exciting. So I totally agree with this. I do love color. and I'm always looking for a way to just, you know, keep my life fun and fresh and new and exciting, and to learn new things. So I don't think I don't think it's only, you know, meeting new people, but it's also, you know, learning new things, you know, coming up with new ideas, just learning in general. So I highly agree with this, and let me know what you guys think. Do you agree? So last but not least is similar designs throughout your home. So according to this article, if you have like the same furniture from the same store, the same style, the same color, the same texture, the same type of wood, that means that you're into long-term relationships. You are the type of person that will work 50 years at your job. You don't like change. You pretty much are just comfortable in just everything being the same and cohesive, which nothing is wrong with that, as long as you're comfortable and it feels good for you. I don't think that's a problem, but that's what they said according to the article. If you like all the same furniture, then you don't like change. You like sticking with the same thing. You pretty much like the same food. Not really the same food, but you pretty much like, you know, things to be, you know, long term, in your comfort zone, and pretty much the same. So maybe that's true. It could be true, because my furniture is all different and stuff. I don't like to have the same matchy stuff. I'm not the matchy type. Maybe they're right, maybe they're wrong, but of course let me know what you guys think. Do you have the same type of furniture in every room? I mean, it could be true, because some people who live in a home for like 30-40 years, they don't throw away their furniture. They have the same furniture 30 years ago. And if it's, especially if it's a good furniture, if it's something that was made well and have lasted 30 years, I don't see why you need to throw it out if you feel comfortable with it and it's still functioning and it's useful and it looks good. You know, I think you should, you know, keep it in your home. But of course, let me know what you guys think down below, if this is true or not. I would say they might be right on this one, but of course, it's their opinion. So you guys, that's the list. That was pretty fun. I think they're probably, you know, there's some truth to it. Maybe not. Maybe they're right. But I think our home decor do say a lot about our personality. So I mean, even our clothes, the way we dress, it says a lot about us, whether we are stylista or we are just you know, comfortable with just a t-shirt and the jeans. Like, the way we dress really express ourselves, and also the way we decorate our home express ourselves. So this was a fun list. Let me know what you guys think. Did you enjoy this video? We could do more of these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.